Okay, this engine just powered up again, and there it goes. Off it goes. I think this is off. Control us.
Then let's go with
left.
Let's go with it's going out.
Okay, I'll just go here and see at least. Let's go. Sorry, this is so shaky. And off it goes. Off it goes. 1, 2, 4. What? There it goes.
Off it goes. Off it goes.
You show the edge. Wow. And there should be a CSX train in like 5 minutes. Be here, show. And look, this is awesome Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Look at the logo on this car. That's great. See that logo? I love that logo.
Yeah, you look at the SP box.
Southern Pacific. I don't know if you can see, but there's the engine way down there.
Look on that one, it says Southern serves the South.
And there's the 13 car local. Northeast to Conneaut.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I don't know the symbol. Cause I looked up online. I looked up online like everywhere. I couldn't find the symbol for it. Please comment down in the description if you know the symbol of this local. Is that on the main? I don't know if you can see the engine down there.
Here, keep going over here. Stop.
The CSX train should be here any minute. So it is right now 12:09.
Yeah, it's supposed to be here about what time?
12:10. Because it was 15 miles away 15 minutes ago. Oh, going 55.
I heard on the scanner they're doing checks.
For this,
Something. I heard him say double check or something like that. What is going on? Oh my gosh, there's a boy down there. I couldn't even see that. 2 people filming on a GoPro.
yeah.
They're on YouTube. They're on YouTube. Sure, we can use your video of it. I know. The thing is, if you want it to be uploaded, we won't be able to upload until. Yeah. Well, you can come over to our house today. We can play you.
These, I wonder if,
That's an awesome shot.
I don't see the CSX yet. I kind of want to go down this way to see if we can see the
NS 3311 Welch. Here comes my sister.
You see it? You do? Hold on.
Yes.
I see it.
Yes.
I'm gonna go. Dude, I'm gonna. Yeah, I saw it from over here. Let's walk. You gotta film it. Yeah.
Is it that big video?
Yep.
I can see it.
You can?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see it through that train's coming, Lord. Lord, don't do that. This train should be here any minute. Let's hope it has something on it. I'm pretty sure 5118's in the lead, but that might be a different train. Oh, it's still out there, but Troy, it'll be here in about a minute. What? Troy, oh, yeah, Troy, come here. Troy, come here, come here.
What?
Troy, look, you can see it through there. Here, listen to the scanner on here.
Whatever it is.
Oh, that was the NS! Hold on, I think.
There goes the NS.
There goes the NS!
Yeah, there's oh, the NS is closed.
It is.
Guys, we gotta hurry.
It is? Like how close? Oh man! There goes the NS local! There it goes, the NS local.
There, I see the light.
And there's the CSX! So there goes the local!
Oh, it's an EMD.
Wow! And there's the CSX! 8383! And 332! Yeah! Woo! Manifest! You can still see the local going down there! Woo! Did you see the guy wave to us? Oh, he went like... Woo-hoo! Lovely. I'd assume these are empty, but I'm not. I'd assume these are empties, but I'm not sure. Trash, mainly trash offers, but there's some. Yeah, I don't know what symbol this is. We couldn't hear on the scanner. Look, these holes in them. This is a long train. That's cool to have an EMD leading. Don't really see that often. I don't know. I went to number 8382. CDS. And there's the end of this train. Yeah. It's parked there until 1 o'clock. There it goes. Wow. Alright. That was an awesome video. So,
Please subscribe to JTR Bricks.
so thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Stay tuned for new videos. Don't stop watching our videos. That's a choice. There goes that train. See ya. This is another epic video. See ya.